Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change your password of Instagram account. So first we need to open Instagram account, then tap on profile icon, tap on menu bar on the top right and go to account center and then go to profile and security. So just tap on change password, tap on your profile. It's only change password, not forget. If you want to forget your Instagram account password, then go to the description. I make another video for how to forget your Instagram account password. So it's only about how to change password. So tap on change password. So here you can see I successfully changed my Instagram profile password. If you find this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you want to forget your Instagram account password, follow the link in description. Thanks for watching.